In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make gold bars in Stardew Valley. So to be able to make gold bars in Stardew Valley, you need to firstly get at least 5 gold ore to be able to make one, and then also 1 coal, just so that you're aware of that. And of course, all of this can be, you can get at the mines, and gold ore you can start getting from level 80, I believe, from 70 or 80. That's where I was able to start getting it at least. And also what you need to have, you need to also, of course, have a furnace. So now when you have all of that, you just take the gold, you just equip the gold, the ore here, run to the furnace, click on the X button, and then eventually it's going to now start working for you. I believe that gold, it takes a while for it to make gold bars, to be fair. So what I could do is that I could just go to sleep now, and we're going to see if it actually was able to finish this for us. So I'm just going to select this one right here. So let's just go back and see if the gold bar is finished, because it definitely should at this time. You can see, yep, it's finished now, and I was able to get a gold bar, and that is basically exactly how to actually make one.